This is the video about the hosted feature services that are available through this project. On the left side of each item is the gallery icon. It gives you a little bit of information. It lets you know if it's a feature layer, web map, document, that sort of thing, and then an idea of what it is. So if you hover over that, you can see the data in a map view, and that'll open a map viewer. You can also get the item's details if you click on the feature layer name. And if you want more than just the summary, you can go into the item's details, which are also accessible in this list, as well as some other things that you have options to take this data elsewhere and take a look at it. So the items detail pages show you the description. Sometimes it'll tell you how the data was created. You get a little bit more information about the terms of use, and also some tags in the credits. And then also you can copy the URL too if you need to document it in another place. So in this case, there's some feature layers for the geo tweets that were filtered through the FME Workbench workflow. And then there are also the full filtered results from Twitter that have all the geotagged and non-geotagged Twitter results from those 9 search keywords that we used in the download. And then we also have the sponsor a highway and adopt a highway roadways, and each one of those has its own color. And these last 2 are the survey points from the Survey 123 application, and the one that says field worker is an additional feature layer that Survey 123 creates when you do set up a survey and have data entered, but most likely you'll be wanting to use these litter reports down at the bottom.